Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to boost performance and free up space in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to free up space or boost performance. Now after opening the app, scroll down and click on storage. Now here you will see a clear data option, so tap on this option and then here click on clear all data and then click on OK to confirm. So when you will click on OK, it will delete the all app data, and after clearing the data your app performance will be boosted. So that's how you can boost performance and free up space in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.